Okay, so right now we're going to just evaluate the following logarithms. Notice how they don't say anything specific, just to evaluate them. So I'm going to show you guys first the easy way to do it, and then I'm going to show you guys, not the hard way, just more work. I'll start with this one. So this one, if we were to do a little bit of fancy stuff really quick, just some groundwork. If we were to raise this up back to the numerator, it'd be 2 to the negative 1. Correct? Nothing crazy. This is basic arithmetic. Power rule, negative 1 would jump over here, which would just be negative log base 3. Approximation, I already did the calculation. Negative 0.63093. Correct? That's that one. Nothing crazy so far. If we were to do this guy, the easy way would just be honestly natural log of 18, because of 18, over natural log, remember ln means natural log, base 4. I already did the calculation, 2.085. That's literally it for that one. That's the easiest way to evaluate it. This one right here, another way we could do this one, let me erase everything. We could just do this, log 1/2 all over log of 3. Once again, it still equals, you can check me on your calculator. Same thing as before. Nothing has changed. And this one, yeah, we already did log 18 over log 4, which gives the 2.8. Now, let's say we wanted to do things a little bit more tedious. I'll start with this guy. I'll show you how crazy these can get. Base 4, 18. So let's work backwards. Let's try to make ourselves, set ourselves up for success, so to speak. What two numbers can give us 18? What is it? I should have quite a good number. Okay, let's just do the simplest. Let's do this. You agree? 2 times 9? Okay, good, right? Then we can break down, just to make once again our life for success, we can break down our exponents. A lot of people don't know that. I mean our base, sorry. A lot of people don't know you can do that, but you can do that. If it's a perfect square, do not attempt that without it being a perfect square. So if it's like a 9, you can break it down like that. If it's a 25, somehow you'll never see that, but you could essentially do that as well. Basic rules, nothing crazy. This will be transferred. Perfect. That's all we've done so far. Nothing crazy. Now, if we were to break this down even further, because these are multiplied, naturally, it'll be this whole thing of 2 plus, because multiplication, another log base 2 of 9. Close that off. So far, so good. Nothing crazy, right? Now, if we were to evaluate or remove any parentheses, we could essentially, what would we be able to factor out if you had to like take a guess? Take a moment to think, what would be your next step right after that? So, if you saw this right here really quick, I'm going to color code it. I just want to see if you can catch that. When the base matches the product, what happens? It becomes a 1. Just wanted that to see if you can see that. This stays the same because the base does not match the product. The product matches the base, which becomes a 1. Got a parenthesis right there. Now, if we were to continue to work up here, apologize if I'm writing over stuff. I just wanted to show you what we're doing step by step without leaving anything behind. We're going to distribute the 1/2 in. So we would have 1/2 plus 1/2 log base 2 product of 9. So that's all we've done. We just did this. That's all we've done. That's all we've done. We just distributed it back in. You're probably thinking, why would we do that? Well, because there's really nowhere else I can go from here. So now I got to throw that guy back in, see if something happens. And if we can't factor, by the way, because then we'll go back to this. So if we do that, what else could we do? What else could we do? Let's see. I'm trying to think now. Well, we could do this. I just saw this. Right? Do you agree? 3 squared equals 9. And if we do the power rule, boom. Yeah, okay, let's go with that. So a lot of this is just playing around, really. Times 2 log base 2, 3. So far, right? Nothing crazy. Technically, this would cancel out with that. We would have 1/2 plus log base 2 to the third. We have a low base. 3 can't go anywhere else. I can't do anything else. Now, if we were to put this into a calculator, 1/2 plus this guy alone. So remember, this plus that would give us 2.08496. I didn't do the calculation, but that's really all we can go. Actually, you probably get the same thing here. If you plug that in, you'll probably get the same thing here. But we took it as furthest we could. So that would be kind of like the longhand way of doing everything. Up to you how you do it, how you evaluate.